guys, I'm Heart and I'm with
Hello, I'm Mikey.
I'm Midas.
I'm Sheila.
And this is Mark. And this is Mark.
and this is Mark. Today we're gonna be talking about environmental issues that we're gonna be tackling today. We're here right now at St. Charbel Executive Village, and right now we want to take a stroll outside and enjoy the windy weather. The sun is really bright, but you can feel the heat outside because of how breezy the wind is. First thing we notice is the garbage. Most of the waste is not disposed of properly, and by that which we know could really harm our environment. And it doesn't only have an effect on us humans, it also affects the wildlife in our surroundings. Other than the foul smell, it also greatly affects the environment because when it is not disposed of properly, we know the consequences of those things that could greatly affect us, especially if there were any natural disasters that struck us. We also notice that a lot of trees are taken down to make room for residential lots, and only a few are left to grow inside the neighborhood. And another thing that we notice is that most houses use a lot of electricity or energy to cool their homes. With lesser trees, their cooling process and its effects are reduced significantly, which means you'll also end up using more electricity or energy to cool your home.
Having less trees in a community can increase carbon dioxide emissions and soil erosion, as well as the destruction of forest habitat and the loss of biological diversity of both plants and animals. Trees help the community to lessen the heat in the area.
Having less trees in an unurbanized area can become full of dangerous chemicals and pollutants that are usually filtered by trees. Having trees in an unurbanized area can also be a physical barrier, and they buffer noise and filter stormwater to improve water quality in local waterways. By 2001 to 2020, there are 3.2% tree loss in Cavite due to establishes that are being made.
In a more general sense, our whole country is one of the biggest contributors in Southeast Asia when it comes to deforestation. As over the course of the 20th century, the forest cover of the country dropped from 70% to 20%. This is an alarming rate given that industrialization within our country will only statistically increase through the years unless awareness about this issue is spread.
We want to help save the trees because of what we have experienced. Starting by just engaging with a local organization, and we also suggest to our LGUs to impose a minimum percentage of green life within the subdivision to maintain eco-friendliness. We also aim to create a community in which every one of us is aware of the consequences of not taking care or not caring for our environment. And with that said, we're planning to launch a project that includes planting activities and local cleanup drives in order to spread the message and raise awareness. And this could also help us to make our work easier and more lenient because we want to make a difference and start caring for our environment.
All in all, we hope that you gained a lot of insights in our advocacy to spread awareness about deforestation within Cavite and the country. This is only the first step of many more in the mission to improve the health of our environment. Thank you for watching.